everyone, so this is how I make traditional apple butter, and this was actually my first time making it, but I really enjoyed it. It was delicious, and it's a recipe from a traditional Pennsylvania Dutch cookbook that I got off Project Gutenberg, which has a lot of recipes from before 1922. This cookbook is called Pennsylvania Dutch Cooking, and it has a really simple and authentic recipe, not too many ingredients and not too many instructions, but it is a rather large recipe, so I'm actually reducing it down to 6 apples worth of apple butter. So I've got a scant cup of apple cider vinegar and I'm putting it in a saucepan. I've got 6 apples and I'm going to peel them, remove the cores, and slice them thinly. Now you can use red apples and golden apples. I just so happen to use green Granny Smith apples, which don't come out sour. They come out really nice and sweet in the final apple butter. So I put it over the stove on low heat, and you have to keep stirring this thing because if not it's gonna burn. And as it softens, it's going to darken in color, and when it's soft, it's time to add a 1/4 cup of sugar and stir it in well, and just let it simmer a bit, let the sugar melt and all the ingredients work together, and then add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and then a 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Stir it in. It looks delicious. It goes from golden in color within an hour or so to a really dark, thick, caramelized paste that is just like so good. It makes the house smell amazing. You have to cook it until it's really, really thick and dark, like not burnt, but almost like fruit leather. I tasted it, it was really good, so then I made it actually into a pie with a gingerbread pie crust. I made apple butter pie, which I will be demonstrating in my next video, so stay tuned. Bye!